Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt.
Good Lord.
All the pressure. Woo. Yeah, nasty. All the pressure.
Okay, we gotta do something about that.
Yeah, I'll take it down for the next one. We did sit with it back here on for a minute before we started. And it doesn't really leak much, so kind of had a lot of pressure on it. I need a straight shot with no line there, I think about it. We got a beautiful multi-bullseye. Getting rinsed out outside here with our cool water. To the inside. Got it inside now with the warm water. Let's get it undamaged. This one's probably going to require some painting. Yes, so be ready. It has a lot of color in it. A lot of vibrant color. And we don't want it to spread. Any further than we already have.
I think it is. We can do our cow udders next time.
Yep.
We got some black
That was a
spots.
joke, most of people, but
No, I think that would be cool. It's a good idea. Who else you know out there is doing cow udder tie-dye?
drop a comment below if you want a cow udder tie-dye. That beautiful, beautiful shirt. Sorry we're not very talkative today, people. We're both still under the weather, but we're coming out of it. We're trying to keep the show on the road. I know, I'm kind of mesmerized for a second, I'm not going to lie.
I think we're gonna start doing, forgot what you call it. It's where you like stitch the design in there.
Yeah.
And then you dye it. That's why I have that, we'll call it a leaf pattern.
Yep.
Ready. I think that one will be pretty popular.
Oh yeah. Good old maple leaf.
Yeah.
I can put it right there, man. There's some power in there. Let's see what we got. Ooh.
This one kind of looks like cow udders.
A little bit. Looks good though.
I like it though, yeah.
Yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty cool tie-dye right there, if I do say so myself. Good multi-bullseye. We have the fire red, the deep orange, the golden yellow, all blending together quite nicely. Just a good assortment of bullseyes there. Something a little bit different. I guess it's somewhat of a prototype for what we're going to do in the future. Now she wants to do one that looks like udders, but I kind of got that idea from this one, so I don't know. I think it looks pretty cool. I think maybe a couple more down the middle it would have looked even cooler, but looks great. Beautiful, beautiful shirt. Easy to do. Got to try new things to make new things, right? Well, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.